There's the elevators at the A.J. Palumbo Science Center at the Carlow University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Dover Oildraulic elevators with impulse fixtures from the 90s. Pink doors. PA elevators is also with me. Lower level. Interior go down.
Hedrick elevator maintains these.
These were installed in 1998. How do you know Hedrick maintains these?
Stephen Hedrick.
Oh. Wait, and I wonder if that's who did the innovation on some of the other elevators on campus. Boy, but those look more industrial commercial. I don't know. Mechanicals lock shot up to 3. Interior door. Here at 3. Go back down to 1. 88 phone, Dover. Your basic hospital-sized cabs. 2-speed doors. PA elevators playing with the locked floor button. Certificate, again, these were installed in 1998. By Marshall, and Hedrick Elevator maintains these, apparently. Here back at 1.
But who did before that?
Don't bother. I guess I'm going to close it with a minute. That closes, and that's going to be it.